longitudinal stress, hugging and sagging. Understanding that longitudinal stress happens because of waves. If the middle of the ship bends up, hugging. If the middle of the bend down, sagging. Contract. Proper cargo distribution, correct ballasting, avoid overloading, follow loading manual. Example, kung sobra ang karga ng gitna, pwedeng magsag kaya dapat balance ang cargo. Transverse stress, understanding. Side to side bending of the ship, usually cause of moving cargo or rolling waves. Contract, even cargo loading, strong flame and bulkheads secure cargo properly. Kapag hindi pantay ang karga sa kaliwa at kanan, pwedeng ma-stress ang kaliwang barko. Sharing stress, understanding. Force that try to slide one part of the ship past another. Common between hull and deck structure. Contract, strong building, reinforced structure, regular inspection. Parang hinihila ang isang parte ng barko laban sa isa. Banaha. Panting, understanding in and out movement of the hull. Cutting, usually the bow cause the wave pressure. Contract, panting beams, strong flaming, reinforced bow structure. Sa unahan ng barko dahil sa alon parang humihinga ang bakal. Pounding, understanding. Heavy impact under the bow happen when the ship hits wave hard. Reduce speed, adjust course, strong bottom structure. Kapag tumatalon ang barko sa alon, malakas ang tama sa ilalim. Rocking, understanding. Sideways distortion of the ship structure common during rolling. Contract, strong bulkheads, reinforced flame, proper cargo securing. Kapag malakas ang pag-roll, pwedeng ma-deform ang frame ng barko. Inclusion na ship stress happen because of the wave cargo and sea condition. To counteract this, we must follow proper loading, ballasting, and maintenance. Good seamanship prevent damage and accidents.